Today's video I will discuss about nutrition. Okay, now then start. Nutrition is defined as food at work in the body. There are several kinds of functions which have involvement of food as an important factor. Okay, then the important functions of food is to work as the body building material. Bodybuilding foods are of special importance, particularly when the body is growing. Bodybuilding foods are especially important, particularly when the body is growing. The second function of food is provide energy, and the energy is utilized for our growth, for keeping the body warm, and to perform day-to-day activities. The body also uses food to regulate its activities. The body also uses food to regulate its activities. The regulatory activities are the regulations of heartbeat, regulations of body temperature, removal of waste products of the body and muscle contraction, control of water balance, clotting of food, and etc. Okay, what are the regulatory activities? Now the regulations of heartbeat, regulations of body temperatures, removal of waste products from the body, muscle contractions, control of water balance, and also the clotting of blood. Okay, and then start the nutritions. That part our introduction, and then the nutrition. The nutritions foods appears in many forms, such as cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk and milk products, and flesh foods. All these foods are made up of large number of components called nutrients and can be grouped into 6 main classes, that are the water, carbohydrate, minerals, proteins, fats and vitamins. Okay, that's the 6 main components are what? The water, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins. Okay, the most of the food are composed of more than one class of nutrients. The most of the foods are composed are more than one class of nutrients. Okay, the a food material is composed more than one, that is one or two or three. Okay, the three class of nutrients materials. Okay, the nutrients are discussed with a special reference. The nutrients are discussed with a special reference of the functions they perform. Body building nutrients, proteins, minerals and water come in this category. They are used in informing muscles, blood, hair and other tissues. The largest part of the protein in Indian diet comes from cereals and pulses. The animal proteins like milk products, eggs, fishes and meat also acts as the source of proteins. The highest concentrations of minerals is found in the bones and the teeth. The minerals are also present in other body tissues. Some minerals are present in only a few foods. If the food lack in those minerals, then the effect due to their deficiency are observed in the human body. Water is present in all the body tissues. It is especially important in building of lymph, blood and many secretions of body. Okay, then energy giving nutrients, carbohydrates and fatty foods. Carbohydrates and fatty foods comes in this category, energy giving nutrients. Proteins may also be used as the source of energy. Proteins may be used in the source of energy. This however happens only when the enough energy is not available from carbohydrates and fats. Okay, the most common source for carbohydrates are starch, sugar and cellulose. Fatty foods like vegetable oils, vanaspati, butter, ghee, nuts, oils and animal fats are the source of high amount of energy. Okay, then the regulating nutrients. Many nutrients work together to regulate the functions of the body. This is true of proteins, minerals, water and vitamins. Food groups. Food can be classified into different groups on the basis of the predominant nutrients they supply. This classification serves as a guideline for the selection and the use of proper food and as a means of estimating the extent to which diets are adequate or inadequate. Food groups are classified different groups of the basis of the predominant nutrients they supply. Okay, this classification serves as a guideline for the selection and uses of the proper foods and the means of estimating the extent to which the diets and diets are adequate or inadequate. Okay, the various groups of foods and types of Indian foods in each classes are presented below. Okay, that is the protein foods, protective vegetable and fruits, other vegetables, cereals, roots and tubers, fats, oil, sugar and jaggery. Okay, then discuss one by one. First one is the protein foods. Milk and milk products are the curds, buttermilk, paneer, khoa and the pulses, example dal, gram, lentils, dried beans and peas. Nuts and oil seeds, examples groundnut, tree nuts, sesame, eggs, fish, meat like mutton, poultry, pork, beef, all are the proteinous food. Protective vegetables and fruits. Leaf green vegetables, example spinach, fenugreek, drumstick leaves, cabbage, and the yellow or orange fruits and vegetables, example carrot, pumpkin, papaya, mango, and the vitamin C rich fruits and vegetables, example amla, guava, orange, grapefruits, sweet lime, pineapple, tomato, pear, cabbage, cauliflower. Okay, then the other vegetables are brinjal, lady's fingers, beans, peas, cucumber, onions, etc. And the cereals, roots and tubers are the rice, wheat, jowar, bajar, raji, potato, etc. And fats, oils, sugars and the gazari are the vegetable oils, vanaspati, ghee, butter, sugar and gazari and the honey. Okay, then the vitamins. Vitamins are the organic substances present in small amounts in natural foodstuff which are essential for growth and normal metabolism. They are considered to be essential to all the cells and are needed in the diet in minute amounts. Essential of diets. These includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, mineral salts, water and raw veggies, which necessities must be in the correct proportions for the body cells to function efficiently. Any diet which satisfies the requirements and helps important functions of supplying energy, building tissues and regulating the body adequately is termed as a balanced diet. It contains food from the all subgroups described earlier. Then summary of the nutrients. The foods performs the following activities like acts as a body building material, provides energy, regulatory activities of body. That's the perform of functions of foods. And then the vitamins are fat soluble vitamins, example vitamins A, D, E, K, and the water soluble vitamins, example C, B1, B2, BC and B12. Okay, that's the all about the nutrients. Okay, or nutritions.